Hey y'all, Insane Survivalist coming again with another product review. This time we're doing the Fenix E05R. It's a little pocket flashlight one. Actually designed as a keychain one is my understanding. We'll get into that in just a minute. It is 20 degrees in town, so colder out here in the canyon. So it's one of those things. But we're gonna do this anyway, right? So 400 lumens is max, especially if you have it on burst. You've got high, medium, low to go with that. High is 150, medium 25, and low is 3. Impact resistant up to 1 meter, and up to 64 meters max beam distance. So there's that. Last but not least, it is micro USB charge and 3 color options to choose from. Now, what we'll do is, great, I've talked about that. We're gonna do an unboxing, actually look at what came in the package. I've cut the top off to make it a little bit easier. And then we'll do the cast video, and then after usage, I'll come back and we'll talk about, you know, my thoughts upon it. So there's that. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. This is a nice little small size flashlight. From there. On the table. Notice I'm not out in the woods today. We just came back from a nice hike and realized I needed to do this. So we'll get to the flashlight first. And the flashlight is, we're gonna get all of it first. So you can see size wise, we're looking at about the size of my index finger, more along the size of my pinky. So pretty small in size there. Hold down the little button at the top. It's good. Nice little handheld, but yeah, definitely one you want to put on the keychain, because otherwise you're not going to be able to. You're going to lose it in your pocket. So I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to get all the stuff that fell out of the package, and we'll come right back. All right. So hey, that's what happens when things get live, if you will. One of the things I didn't mention a while ago is the fact that it is a 2 free replacement warranty, 2-year free replacement warranty, and limited lifetime warranty. Again, that's a Fenix light for you, so you know that's one of the reasons why I really like them. Anyway, you get a nice little book, you get the guarantee, you get spare O-rings, waterproof, remember IP68, and nice little marketing slick on their new headlight. Maybe one we'll look at in the future. And then the micro USB charging cable. So that's it as far as that goes. There is a small lanyard around the flashlight itself. Stuck it back in there, can't get it back out. Well, when the plastic is cold, it does not want to do like I want it to. Anyway, there's a small lanyard around it, but it's not a lanyard. All right, so let's just go ahead and call it that. It's actually just a piece of plastic, you know, kind of like a zip tie, so that you can actually use it or whatever. But I would actually go in and put yourself a lanyard around it. Otherwise, like I said, you'll probably lose it in your pocket. It'll roll around in there. But hey, who knows? I may test it that way too. So anyway, let's cut away to the cast video. And again, I'll use it some, and then we'll come back and I'll give you my thoughts. So stay tuned for that. All right, we're gonna do the cast video. We'll start with low. It's pretty bright. Medium and high. You'll know it's not going to go far. It's not meant to go far. 64 meters was the max. There's a tree way back in the back I can see, but I can't see anything clearly, you know what I'm saying? Don't know how many branches are on the tree. And then if I hold it down, turn it off, hold it down again, I can get a pulse, or what they call the burst, which was bright. There we go. There's my brightness. And then double click. So turn it off and then double click after that to lock it back. All right, folks, let's finish up with the Fenix E05R micro flashlight or keychain flashlight. Notice I did put a lanyard on there. Inside the the bag with the double O-rings or the 2 O-rings is a key ring. So there's that for those of you that were interested. And the other thing was, I know I mentioned that there was 3 different colors to choose from that's not lights. I actually had somebody ask me about that because they found out I was reviewing it. Anyway, it's the color of the flashlight itself. So you've got green, you've got brown, and you've got black. So there's those 2 pieces. Anyway, one of the cool things I like about this is I know that you've got a micro USB charger for it, or at least the cable comes with it, and then there's a port in here to actually charge. And so the way you get to that port, it's descriptive on the handle itself, but you turn or unscrew, if you will, the barrel, and it exposes the micro USB charging port. So there's that. That was, to me, very, very cool. And then make sure that you tighten it back up to, again, make sure it becomes water resistant. I got to use it a little bit, just various times throughout the past couple of weeks, and in doing so, I like this thing. I like it. Now I'll throw it in my pocket. I haven't attached it to a keychain, obviously, but I'll throw it in my pocket with the lanyard on it, and easy to pull it out. I've got a place that I'm going to put this, and that's in my radio bag. So I've got an emergency communications kit. It's going to go in there. That's exactly where it's going to go, along with the charging cable, and it comes with batteries and everything else. Or sorry, I'm putting batteries in that case as well. So there's that. Anyway, folks, I like it. I'll give it, a huge thumbs up. Again, it's Fenix. I've come to love them. I'll tell you the truth, if it's something that needs to be, fixed, remedied, or whatever. The other thing I did find out is it has a lock on it. What I mean by that is if you hold the button down, it will lock or unlock. Now that's cool, but one of the things that you find is that if you hold down that button and it just flashes twice, that tells you the lock is on. So that's another one of those, I guess it's a cool thing, but a not cool thing. I don't know. It became frustrated until, somebody that doesn't like to read directions has to read directions and say, oh, this is what it is. So there is that. I thought, to be honest with you, I thought it was broke. So that's all that. Anyway, hey, that's all, guys. Thanks for all you do. Thanks for your likes, comments, subscribes, and shares. And go get you one of these. It's the Fenix E05R. I think they retail on the site for $30. Not too bad, especially considering it's rechargeable, micro USB, keychain. I mean, the list goes on. So, and you're not having to continually put batteries in. So you spend a little bit more up front, to get it for the long last. Anyway, hey, until then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks for watching.